Good morning to all of you. Today we start topic attitude and behavior in the kitchen. A cuisine means the kitchen, also art of cooking. Art of cooking. C care of equipments. U understanding the basic method. I is integrating in handling and serving food. S is safety in handling equipments. I initiatives you will have to take and miss neatness during work and presentation. Last one is efficiency of yourself. Be positive and think positive. The emphasis of a food service education is on learning a set of skills, but attitudes are more important because a good attitude will help you not only to learn skills but also to prevent and overcome many difficulties you will face in your careers. The successful food service workers follow an unwritten code of behavior and set of attitudes which may be called professionalism. The set of qualities are first in positive attitude towards the job. In order to be a good profession chef, you must like cooking and want to do it well. Satisfaction of doing your job well and making everything run smoothly will give you enjoyment, which you will always cherish. A chef with a positive attitude work quickly, efficiently, neatly, and safely. Professional chefs take pride in their work and want to make sure that the work is something be proud of. Next one is staying power. A food service personnel require good health, physical and mental stamina, and a willingness to work for a longer hours. Third is ability to work with people. Works as a team, and it is essential to be able to work well as a team and to cooperate with your colleagues. Fourth one is communication. With your supervisors, let them know your difficulties. With your colleagues, share knowledge and also learn from them. Nobody knows everything. With your subordinates, respect them and be courteous. Last one is with the food and beverage staff. Control your temper. Next is eagerness to learn. There is a more to learn about cooking than you will learn in a lifetime. The food service industry is changing so rapidly that it is vital to open to new ideas no matter how good your techniques are. You might learn an even matter way to do the same thing which you have must have been doing from long time. Sixth is must develop a full range of skills. A chef must not only be a good cook but is also important to develop and maintain other skills that are necessary for the profession. Must be able to understand and manage food cost and other financial matters. Manage and maintain proper inventories, deal with suppliers, understand personal management. Next is experience. There is no substitute for years of experience, practice, and more to gain more experience. Eighth one is aiming for quality. Whatever you do must have a distinct sign of quality. Next is creativity. Sky is a limit, as in novel cuisine. Return to basic. Experience and innovation needs good understanding of basics first. 11. Care of equipments. Equipments have been put to your disposal to help you take care of it. Treat it as your own, even if it does not belong to you, for others will also be using it. Last in safety. Kitchens can be dangerous place. Injuries can occur by cuts, burns, handling of machines and equipments, failing, etc. Think about yours as well as others' safety first. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.